checkout counter. It's beside gift shop before an exit anyway. Wait and before one step. Okay, so let's start. Hello! Okay, hi viewers, and welcome here to PBGG. My name is Kuya Cedric, and I will be your sous chef for today. So if you have questions during the process, just raise your hand and wait for us to call you. Okay, are you all ready to bake? Yes! Okay, let's begin for the first time. Get the bowl of flour, that's the white color. Please pour everything in your table. And spread it using your clean hands. Okay, like this. Spread it all over your table. Okay, next step, get the roll of your dough, that's brown one. Get one of it and mold it into circle. Just like playing a Play-Doh. Okay, so now, press it on your table, flatten it, and don't forget to flip it over, so the other side will be covered with your flour spread. Okay, now viewers, it's time to get your rolling pins. Okay, on the rolling pins. Yes, very good. And roll your dough forward, backward, and even side by side. Viewers, just make sure that your dough is not too thick or not too thin. Just the right size for your cookie cutter to fit. Okay, just hold it gently until it fits on your cookie cutter. Okay, so once it fits, get the cookie cutter again. Make sure the sharp side is the one that is facing on your dough, okay? Yes, one. So now, press it on your cookie dough. Press it hard, really, really hard, and shake it a little. Shake, shake, shake. You do not remove the cookie cutter yet. Instead, remove the excess dough from the outside. After that, there you have it. Your very own gingerbread man cookie, which is ready to be baked.
I'll go around, put it on the dough, so we can bake them. Baking time! Hi, Daisy!
Oh, no, no! The kitchen is my hometown. The workplace where I can get a fire.
High five, Gingy.
Did you wash your hands?
Did you wash your hands?
Did they wash their hands?
Wash and ready, Gingy.
So much food says Jimmy. Me and the mom needed a pen. That's what it comes from clean skin. And that's what I can baptize. With what? Which we're not, are we?
Yes, that fires and rack up in Ferroni. Bake in the outside.
And the motor. Even like shrimp
There are no girls here, Gingy.
There's nothing wrong with houses, of course. Except your manager is too quiet for fine mine.
Oh, sexy Gingy.
Well, I can't lose walk. So what are we going to do anyway?
Gotta make cookies just like you, Gingy.
Did somebody say mud pies? I'll have 2 plates and a side of mufflers in the sausage. Oh, come on, Gingy. Are you still sore about that wee fire? It was an honest mistake. Who knew you weren't supposed to throw water on an oil fire?
Or put fire on gas fuel. Or spill gas in bath water. Or throw bath water on your grandma when she's asleep. Or go to sleep when you're cooking grandma's handicapped out there out low.
Ooh, that was a fun day in the kitchen. Well, what are you cooking today?
I don't cook fish around.
But it smells nasty.
Probably something strange to me.
Or something I did eat.
Wait a minute. Is that you I'm smelling?
Better I ain't in, huh?